Hey YouTube, BalisongAddict here, and today I will be doing a Balisong tutorial for the move called the index rollover to thumb Chaplin. So here's what the move looks like, and here it is in slow motion. Alright, so for this move, you want to get to this position right here. So there's plenty of ways to do that. I'm just going to do two rollouts, so kind of like a horizontal opening. So double rollout, and then instead of just flipping it up and do a double rollout, I'm going to land with my index finger right here. Alright? Land with my index finger right there. The next part is I'm going to dip down and then throw the bite handle up. It's going to do a kind of a rollover over my index finger, and then I'm going to catch right here. Alright? Comes around, catch right here. Now see how the bite handle's up there? It's going to come down, obviously, because of gravity, and that's when we're going to want to do the next part of this move, which is a rollover, Chaplin around my thumb right there. So it's going to come down, and then I'm going to use that to do a Chaplin around my thumb. And I'm going to catch basically in the same spot. So Chaplin, catch there. So I can do that and just keep Chaplining there, you know. Alright, you can also add in multiple Chaplins right there. See, you don't have to just stick to one. You can do as many as you want. Alright, so the third part of the move, Chaplin here. And then right here, what you're going to do, it's kind of like the basic vertical opening. So I'm going to put my middle finger in there and move my thumb. Then I'm going to flip up, flip down, move out my index finger, move it out of the way, and bring it up and catch. Alright, so one more time, double rollout, up, Chaplin. After the Chaplin, these come in, up, down, catch. Alright? Sorry. Up, down, catch. That very last part is actually kind of tricky for me. I don't know if it will be for you, but I'm not very good at that last part. Alright, so some tips, obviously, when you get here, the bite handle's coming up, so you gotta remember to not do this so much in parts. You gotta here, you know, it flows. Alright, so you gotta use that momentum right there. And then also once you get to, sorry about that, once you get to the very last part, just don't forget that you need to take your thumb out and put your middle finger in there. And then come up. And it's just like the basic vertical opening. Sorry about that. Alright, so pretty simple move. If you have questions, just post a comment. And there is the index rollover to thumb Chaplin.